The school kids S and Z. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Today we will learn Jolly Phonics Sounds. Let us revise the sounds. Letter S and the sound is S. S. Letter A and the sound is A. A. Letter T and the sound is T. T. Letter P and the sound is P. P. Letter N and the sound is N. N. Letter I and the sound is E. E. Blending and reading the words. At, at, in, in, sat, sat, pat, pin, pan, pip, pit, tip, and, sip, sip, nap, nap, tap, tap, eat, it, tin, tan, sin, sap, sap, nip, nip, an, sit, sit, spat, spat, span, spin, spit, snap, snap, snip, pant, stint. Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe the channel.